Imagine you're earning $4,900 per month just from dividends, with no extra work. Does it feel like a dream? But it's actually possible, and I'll show you how to do it today. If you really want to put your money to good use, don't miss this video. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the best tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dividend income. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to quickly earn $4,900 per month from dividends, step by step. Whether you're starting with $1,000 or $100,000, I'll break it down for all levels of investors. What is dividend income? Dividend income is money paid by companies to shareholders as a reward for owning their stock. Essentially, companies share a portion of their profits with you, the investor. Think of it as getting paid to simply hold onto your shares. This is why dividend investing is one of the most popular strategies for building passive income streams. Step 1. Understanding dividend yield. First, let's talk about the dividend yield, which is the key to calculating your monthly income. Dividend yield formula: dividend per share divided by share price times 100. For example, if a company pays $4 per year in dividends and the stock costs $100, the yield is 4%. To earn $4,900 per month, you'd need stocks with an average yield of around 4 to 5%, depending on how much you invest. Step 2. The capital required. Let's crunch some numbers. To earn $4,900 per month, you need $58,800 annually. If the average dividend yield is 5%, the total investment needed is $58,800 divided by 0.05 equals $1,176,000. This might sound like a huge number, but don't worry, there are ways to start small and grow over time. Step 3. Building a dividend portfolio. The next step is building a portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying stocks. Look for 1. Dividend aristocrats. Companies that have increased dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. Examples include Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. 2. REITs, real estate investment trusts. These often offer higher dividend yields, sometimes up to 8%. Examples: Realty Income Corporation O. Onowi Capital Management NLY. 3. ETFs. Funds like Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF VIG provide instant diversification. Step 4. Reinvest dividends. If you're not at the $1,176,000 mark yet, reinvest your dividends to grow your portfolio faster. This is called dividend reinvestment plans DRIPs. For example, if you earn $5,000 in annual dividends and reinvest them at a 5% yield, your portfolio will grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Step 5. Tax considerations. Dividends can be taxed differently depending on where you live. In the US, qualified dividends taxed at long-term capital gains rates. Ordinary dividends taxed at your income tax rate. Consider consulting a tax advisor to maximize your after-tax returns. Step 6. Strategies to start earning faster. Here are a few actionable tips to accelerate your journey. Start now. Even $1,000 invested today can grow into something substantial over time. Focus on high-yield stocks. While risky, some stocks offer yields above 6%. Research thoroughly before investing. Cut expenses and invest aggressively. The more you can invest now, the faster you'll reach your goal. Challenges and how to overcome them. No strategies without challenges. Let's address some potential roadblocks. Market volatility. Stock prices fluctuate. Stay focused on the long-term goal. Dividend cuts. Sometimes, companies reduce or eliminate dividends. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Patience is key. Building a substantial dividend income takes time. In my journey, I learned that consistency is everything. Dividend investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about making small, steady steps toward financial independence. The beauty of this strategy is that your money works for you, even while you sleep. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to build passive income. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite dividend stock or strategy? Subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom.